Welcome to our information about Dali Pro 2 IoT Light Management Systems. My name is Cornelia Fürst. I'm an electrical engineer and working for more than 30 years in the lighting industry. I was accompanying even the first steps of the Dali in the late 90s, and currently I'm representing Latvans in committees such like DIIA or ZVEI. Today you will receive basic information, in detail Dali 2 and IoT readiness. Further, you will find within these videos of Dali Professional 2 IoT a chapter with initial setup, one additional chapter on commissioning, further on project preparation and commissioning, and also additional commissioning opportunities. You might ask yourself the question, what is Dali 2? Dali protocol was first drafted in the late 1990s and has undergone a number of revisions as it has evolved. The result of the version 2 of the Dali standard IEC 62386, which is known as Dali-2. Dali 2 helps to fill the gaps in the original standard, resulting in significant improvements. Dali 2 is defined and controlled by the Dali Alliance, which is formerly known as Digital Illumination Interface Alliance, a global industry alliance for Dali lighting control. What are the key improvements of Dali 2? It focuses on the multi-vendor interoperability, backed by Dali 2 certification, which is done from the Dali Alliance. It extends to all devices in a lighting control system, including input devices such as sensors and application controllers. Transparency for Dali 2 compliant products is published publicly on the product database of the Dali Alliance. This is for certified products and members on a comprehensive testing requirements. And all these three advantages are summarized in the Dali Alliance certification program. In a nutshell, you have more feature and clearer specifications such as tunable white, IoT readiness. You have a backwards compatibility with standard Dali 1 compliant systems. What is important for the Dali 2 certification program of the Dali Alliance? 2 test specifications, which are based on the IEC 62386, the so-called Dali standard, plus additional new specification, which is defined by the Dali Alliance. Further on, important is the independent product testing. The independent testing and verification is done by the Dali Alliance, a so-called third-party verification. Only Dali Alliance members' products can be tested there. Dali version 1 product compliance is based solely on self-declaration. So Dali 2 tested and verified products have a third-party confirmation. And how is the declaration and the communication of these products? Only by the Dali Alliance certified products are allowed to carry the Dali 2 logo, which is part of the type label of the products. And these products only have successfully passed the third-party testing and are even publicly listed on the webpage of the Dali Alliance and visible for everybody. This is an example of the public listing of the Dali 2 certified products by the Dali Alliance. What is the benefit out of it? Using those products, you can be sure that you avoid interoperability issues in your installation. These public listings give a planning certainty for the lighting designers and the architects. And it's an additional benefit for the lighting industry so that all these products are publicly listed. IoT, the Internet of Things. Information technology is present in all areas of our life. With growing connectivity, there are new ways of increasing efficiency in existing processes by using easy available information for effective light usage, like dashboard of energy consumption. This connectivity, on the other hand, helps to increase the comfort in installation by dashboard control possibilities, like maintenance information or in future remote access and others. What does the IoT readiness mean for the Dali 2 controller? You have the opportunity to connect a LAN cable directly to this controller, and this enables the controller to send and receive information, also to react on these information. The Dali line with its bidirectional communication to all devices enables individual addressing and controllability of each participant, which could be a luminaire, a sensor, a coupler, something like this, to all devices in the installation. As a summary, the Dali Pro 2 IoT controller can send and receive information, can collect information, and also store information. This ensures that you can make use in the cloud service of the dashboards for maintenance and energy monitoring. Also, our luminaire portfolio is upgraded with the Dali 2 IoT drivers. We have downlights, floodlights, linear lights, and also panels with Dali 2 compliant driver included. Also, our Dali components in the portfolio are Dali 2 compliant, which you can see in the product name carrying a G2, such as sensor for ceiling integration with a light and a presence detection sensor included, or the sensor light plus presence detection for luminaire integration. For high bay installations, we also have the adapter plus the sensor either on vision or on high bay application. We also do have sensor couplers in the portfolio fulfilling the Dali 2 specification. And last but not least, you also can find push button couplers in our Dali 2 portfolio. As a summary for the feature of this controller, it has 2 Dali channels to control up to twice 64 participants. So in total up to 128 individual addresses. This controller has gateway functionality, which also enables IoT services. It is Dali 2 certified and publicly listed at the Dali Alliance webpage. You have an easy installation of the product on a cap rail, just to snap it on. The USP is that you have a browser-based, easy and self-explaining commissioning via the Wi-Fi connection dongle. Easy commissioning, flexible user control, and monitoring and maintenance opportunities over the IoT services are the three key features of the new Dali Pro 2 IoT lighting controller. This basic information about Dali Pro 2 IoT controller gave you an overview now of our products and its components. Thank you very much. I wish you a successful installation of your Dali Pro 2 IoT controller. And within the basic information, you can continue with our videos on networks.